Hi guys, so I hope you guys had a very nice Valentine, and I'm going to share what you need to do to reduce all the sweets and all what you've eaten in Valentine's. So I'm sharing the most important thing, and it's a very important tip in my life, as well as I wish that you guys also have all these benefits what I am getting through. So today's video is going to be about my green tea collection. I'm a tea person, like tea person in the sense like I really like teas which you need to dip in water. I'm not a person who can have that masala chai with all that doodh and masala and all. So I'm a very big fan of green tea. So I'll be sharing all my favorites of your green tea, and I'll be reviewing the products. Secondly, why green tea is important. See, green tea is not only important because of the health benefit what it gives, like it is a very big antioxidant one. For two, it really helps in getting good sleep. It helps in metabolism, and that's how you lose weight. See, basically it's like, green tea does not help. Everybody's like, green tea, you have green tea you lose weight. It's not really like this. You need to maintain a proper diet to have green tea, and you need to do a little exercise and all to have green tea and all. Anyways, there are a lot of benefits what I use green tea for. So firstly, that it's a very big good antioxidant for me. Then after using the green tea, what I do with the remaining leaves is I put it in the freezer, and then I just after 20-25 minutes I bring it out. If it is a tea bag, then I just place it on my eyes. It removes the stress from my eyes, and it helps in removing the puffiness and all the dark circles. Two, that if I have lot of green tea left, then again what I do, I put little bit boiled water, like in the first time use. In the second time use, I put little boiled water. I let it cool. Then I put my face pack ingredients in it, and I just put it all over my face. So whatever heat burns that I'm going through, or whatever allergies I'm going through, green tea just really removes it. It's really good, and it's very natural. So you don't go through any other issues that you will get, it won't suit you or like this. But still, I would recommend that you do a little bit patch test before you apply it on the whole face, because I've never heard anybody who's not very uh, what do you say, uncomfortable using green tea, or who is allergic to in green tea. But I would suggest that you do a patch test before. So let's go to my green tea collection. Yuppie! This is the most favorite part I like in the day. It's like having a sip of my green tea, and it just makes my day, like the whole day. So here is the tray for the green tea. So I'll be removing all the green teas that I usually have on a daily basis. So this is the first green tea. It's by a company known as Twinnings, and this is a green tea. So basically this is a dip-in packet where you need to get 200 ml water, and you need to boil the water at 95 degrees. Then empty that thing in a cup. Then put this what do you say, tea bag in the cup, and let it stay there for 2-3 minutes. After that, just remove it and have that sip of green tea. So really nice. This green tea is very nice, very pure, and really of very good quality. So this is my first one. The second one is by this company. So this is Eco Valley Organic Green Tea, Pure Green, a Wakefield product. So this is a sample that I got in a food expo that I recently visited, and oh my god, this green tea is like yum. It's so yum. I don't know why. It is like you need to build that taste for green tea, and maybe because I'm having it from 3-4 years now that I know how it tastes and all. And I was never a green tea user. I used to hate people who used to do this, but now I've become one of them, and I know how useful and how healthy it is for someone to have green tea. So this was a very good surprise that I got this, and it's like, wow, it's amazing. So the third one is this. It's by a brand called Chamong. It's Finest Organic Teas, and this is flavored green tea in Japanese breeze. See, basically it's green tea only, it's just got little fragrance of jasmine, and it just, people who are not very, who have a very nice nose and who do not like the smell of green tea, it's a very good choice for them, because this gives a jasmine aroma, and at the same time you're having it healthy. So it's not, it go in your mind, it is like, no, 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 I'm not having green tea, or it does not smell bad or anything. I'm having something which smells really good, and it does the work. For me it does the work. For first time learners or whatever, freshers, whatever, you can see, this is a very good choice, because it takes a lot of courage and it takes a lot of mind to adapt to the green tea situation. I know it took me a year to get used to the taste, to the smell and all that, but trust me guys, if you do it for once, you will be like, you'll really thank me in future, that types. So the fourth one is this green tea. It's by a brand known as Taifu, a UK's finest since 903. Green tea, natural source of antioxidants. So this is also the packet dip tea that you need to get a bottle and then put it in it. I'll link all the details in the description, like where you can buy it and all. I'm so sorry, I do not know the prices of everything. I'll try and find it out, but I'm so sorry if I cannot. So the fourth one that I have, green tea, this is by Tea Treasure. It is by Tea Treasure, and this is in the flavor lemon tulsi. Awake your sense with this transformative blend of lemon tulsi bursting with fresh lemon and blended with nutrient green tea. Ingredients: green tea and sham tulsi, ram tulsi and one tulsi. I really don't know what is the difference between all the tulsi. For me, all one tulsi is tulsi only. The best part, what I like about this, that they've mentioned all the details here. How much it is, how you need to boil, vagera, and all that stuff. And it's really cute. It's damn cute, and behind is all the details where you can buy it. Last but not the least is this green tea by the company known as the Kettlery Premium Teas and this thing. So this is an Hari Chai sample green tea. I got this, I think, in a subscription box trial, like I think Smitten app is there, and I ordered something, and in which I had an I was very lucky that I got this chance that you can buy 3 samples. From that, one sample was this. So they have given all the details here. So they have basically divided the details into white tea, green tea, oolong tea, black tea, herbal, rooibos tea stems. So what teaspoons, like what quantity, how much time do you need to steep, and what water temperature do you need. And basically they have mentioned that why it should not be done. Like it says that steeping tea leaves for more time than mentioned could make the infusion bitter. So please be careful about those 2-3 minutes. When they are mentioning 2-3 minutes, that means if you have it after that, it's going to be really bitter. And if you do not like bitter stuff, it's not going to be easy for you. And they say for stronger infusion, use more tea leaves for the mentioned brew this time. That's it. So this is my collection. So I really think that green tea is a very, very, very important part of your life. Till 2022, everything works on good on your skin. I think, you don't have that many tensions in life. You're just enjoying, you're in college. But I would really suggest that, you need to start having this habit. I got this habit when I was 24. Someone just told me that it really helps in vitiligo. Like in vitiligo, the issue is that if you have stress, the white spots increases, and if you have green tea, it kind of reduces. It's like a stress buster, and that's how I started having green tea, and I just fell in love with green tea. My suggestion is that you have green tea purely, without adding any sugar or honey to it. But if you think that you can't have it, then please add honey instead of sugar, because honey is much, much, much better than sugar, and it is a very good nutrient for your skin. And thank you so much guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I'm so thankful and grateful to my subscribers. This is just like my 4th video, and I've got so many subscribers with so many new things that coming up. Please do that, please do that. So please like, please subscribe, please share. And let me know if there are any other green tea brands that you want me to try, and I will definitely give them a review and I will try them for you. Bye guys, take care. Thank you so much for being such a great sport.